I talk only to 10 people in 6 years, and almost all of them are my family. To me, it's an invisible prison. The key to open it is the language. I grew up in a small town in China. We didn't have any fancy stuff. We didn't have refrigerators or even television until I was 5, 6 years old. I didn't have any early age education, so I knew nothing about a career. When I was 6 years old, I watched a show on TV. It was a young lady. She was so beautiful, graceful, and elegant. She's a professor working in a university. I look at her, I got this idea. I want to be like her when I grow up. I met my husband in the first year I was pursuing my PhD. 3 years later, we both got our degrees. He found a job in New York. That we decided to get married, then I joined him in New York. When I moved to the US, I feel confident. I have everything I need. I put it in short, I could not find a job. I failed all the interviews because I could not speak English. I stopped there thinking, I need a strategy. Quit is not a word in my dictionary. I decided to get another master's degree. And then I found Cambly. During the day, I had a crazy schedule. Housework, laundry, cooking and playing with my son, cleaning. I'm studying. Then the 15 minutes for Cambly for my English improvement. 15 minutes sounds like nothing, but you have to let the snowball roll. It has to start from small. I did it all by myself. We didn't have any supports and there's no nanny. I got the call. Congratulations, you got a job. I was like, actually, I tried to keep calm. Thank God, I didn't give up. The brave new world in front of me. And I see it. And you know what? They also see me. The image in my mind when I was 6 years old, the graceful, elegant lady walking in a campus. It's me now.